Hello again, YouTube. Still working on the case of the transmission. World Class T5 for an 89 Mustang. For anybody that wants to use a detergent that's supposed to not be bad for the environment, no acid, no ammonia, no bleach, non-flammable, LA is totally awesome. That's what I use for the engine and the transmission and the engine compartment on this thing. Casing came pretty clean. I'm brushing it all because it's got corrosion all over it. It's turning out pretty good. For my standards anyway. Some people may want to make it even prettier, but to me that's good enough. Maybe I'll throw some paint on it when I'm done. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not. I'm going to paint it. These are the brushes that I'm using. El Cheapo made in Taiwan brushes, but they work. Looks like it's gonna be all right. Like it's gonna turn out all right. All right, everybody. Have a good day.